Ooh, I'm not ready, Greg. I feel like we need a break.
Yeah, but you need to get ready, as they were saying in the package there. Yeah, June 1st tomorrow it officially starts, and this could be quite busy, so we will see.
You've been busy.
Yeah, we've been busy this week. It has been a busy week. Things have calmed down out there for us right now, and hopefully it stays that way the rest of this afternoon. And we think it will for the most part, not really anticipating anything widespread as far as any more storm activity is concerned. Most of us actually should be storm-free, I think, as we go through the day. Taking you out to Weatherford, you can see a little sunshine breaking out through the cloud cover out there. 74 degrees we're looking at there. Had those overnight, very early morning storms. They have cleared DFW, so hopefully folks can get out of DFW who have been stuck here for most of the week with the rounds of showers and storms that we've seen, or folks trying to get back into town perhaps. 73 degrees taking you out to DFW, so no delays there, and not really anticipating any this afternoon, unlike the past several days there with the showers and storms. So starting to see temperatures respond, warming up a little bit now. 78 we're up to in Denton, 74 getting out to McKinney right now, and those low mid 70s heading on out to Waxahachie and Corsicana at 73. Had those stronger thunderstorms in our far eastern, southeastern counties a little bit earlier this morning, but things easing up now with those storms. Warming into the low 80s, I think, for the most part today. Maybe the 70s farther east could see some redevelopment of the showers and storms in our eastern counties that will keep those temperatures down a little bit. A little warmer, though, out to our west. Looking at some upper 80s, we think, later on today. No severe weather anticipated today across North Texas. That is the good news. Haven't seen it like this in a while with the severe weather outlook, so that's why I'm showing it to you. You see well to our east, looking at that marginal to slight risk, getting into portions of Arkansas and Louisiana, and then well out to our west. Can't rule out some stronger thunderstorms a little bit later today. Here's what it looks like on the satellite radar composite right now. Not a whole lot at all as far as the storm activity is concerned. Just one little pocket of some showers and storms well out towards south and west. All the activity from this morning has dissipated, and as we go through the day today, we will have only isolated storms, I think, developing across portions of North Texas. So again, as you see here, most of us will be dry. Just keep in mind, if you're traveling out I-30, I-20, maybe getting on into Arkansas and Louisiana, you may run into some thunderstorms a little bit later as we get into the afternoon, but things should be settling down as we get on into this evening. Now, transitioning into Saturday, I think more of the same. Only isolated thunderstorms develop during the day. Can't rule out one or two, especially late in the day, heading on into the evening hours, and then maybe some late night, early morning storms moving in from the west, maybe after midnight on Saturday. So we'll have to watch out for that as well. Those may be weakening some as they move on in on Sunday morning. So keep checking back as we make updates with the forecast on that. But again, low end, marginal risk for some strong, severe storms, maybe some gusty winds. That's going to be the main threat, it looks like, with any storms that we see on Saturday. And then maybe late Sunday, could see some more storms rolling in. We'll be keeping an eye on that activity as well. Late Sunday, maybe for the early part of Monday. But in the meantime, here's the forecast for the weekend. We'll top out around 86, upper 60s heading into tomorrow morning, around 86 during the day. Those winds are going to be pretty light, but then they'll start to pick up a little bit more as we head into Sunday. We'll put that coverage on Saturday about 20%, maybe bumping that up to 30% coverage with the showers and storms as we get into Sunday. It's going to be breezy warm, that high around 88. Now we are looking at some low 90s as we head into next week. You can see that as we head into Monday, maybe around 90 degrees. Slight chances for some thunderstorms through about Wednesday. Then we start to take the storms out of the forecast, maybe as early as the middle of the week, and we will have some daytime highs getting back into the low 90s as we head toward the latter half of next week on into next week.